Ni igongona ria mahoya rira tabanitio ni Arutani anene kaunti-ini ya Murang'a. Igongona riri kumana na kuura na njira ya kiriga kwa mwalimu Solomon Mwangi wa cukuru wa Kiru na uria worire muthe wa kiumia.
I want to pray that we continue making confession and declaration that we would want our principal alive or alive. Let us leave the other bit. We want him alive or alive.
Give us support as the Kesha so that we keep on looking for Solomon. We have always been saying Operation Solomon back, and that is what we are going to do.
Na hindi ya igongona riri arutani aya nimarathing'iriirie thirikari kuhika mĩhang'o ya uthuthuria. Arutani aya ningi makiranira gwika uria wothe mangiota gutigirira mwalimu ucio nionekana.
We are demanding the security team to go with speed. Time is running out. Though we believe God is in control, we are also a bit disturbed. The week is almost going. We have not found our brother.
Kiha kinene nikio kiragomeire igongona riri arutani acio ningi makiririkana mwalimu ucio.
We may also have very many contradicting stories. But God who is in heaven knows where Solomon is even now. And I want to stand and believe with everyone here that Solomon is alive and not dead.
No, it is painful and very painful because we have a brother and we do not know where he is. There is nothing as painful as that. I know the programs, the issues that are going around on where he is, but let us believe that wherever our brother is, he is secure and he is safe.
Ona andu a nyumba yake ni moritie thirikari kuhika mĩhang'o ya gwethana nake. Ona atongoria kuma kaunti ya Murang'a ni mainyiriirie mĩhang'o ya gwethana na mwalimu ucio kuhikanwo nayo.
Handu-ini harimu aito othe a Murang'a ni nguria inspector general wa borithi eke uria angihota gwika nigetha mwalimu uyu o hari ari anyitekane na noke acoke wĩra-inĩ wake na andu aria marutite maundu mau mothe ri maikio ngono.
Mwalimu ucio agirirwo ni kugira kigeranio kia mwaka no ndarokire kiroko kiu andu a nyumba yake makiuga aumire mucii na ndacoke.